Hi guys, this is Dr. Sadashivam once again with you. I recently attended a training organized by Sharekhan on the share market. It was a training. It was in Shangri-La and it was for 2 days, and I would like to share with you that is one of the best trainings ever in my world. Guys, I am a corporate training and I realize the value of any training program, and I would like to share certain things with you guys. Anything you get free of cost in life is a total waste. That's my personal opinion. Do you get things free of cost in YouTube about share market? Absolutely yes, they are available. But you know what is the issue? It is very unorganized and it's very scattered. For example, if you go to any library, there are books on variety of subjects, but how do you select the books? How do you select the chapter, etc., etc.? That is the greatest challenge, and most of the people, they take some book, read some pages, read some chapters. The greatest problem in any library is a crisis of plenty that we always talk about in management training programs, and this is what is exactly called as crisis of plenty, and there is an issue of paralysis of analysis. We all know the story of what happened in Mahabharata. Abhimanyu could get into that Chakravyuh, but he didn't know how to come out. Like, for example, in some book, the guy has learned how to enter the trade, but he doesn't know how to come out of the trade if the trade does not go in your favor. Probably that's the reason why most people say that 90% of the people lose 90% of their capital in just 90 days. This is a research statistics, guys. People are willing to lose money in the share market, but people hesitate to invest in training because training is an investment. People book losses on a daily basis. People are doing that. One thing we need to understand, what is a proper education? For example, it is an evolution. First you go to nursery, you learn addition, subtraction, then you learn geometry, trigonometry, and then you get into differentiation, integration, higher mathematics, and then it's a complete curriculum, guys. Share market training also needs to be seen like that. These curriculum, nursery, primary, middle school, higher secondary, these are things which have evolved over thousands of years. To become a doctor, it takes 5-6 years. To become an engineer, it takes 4 years. Even to become a musician, it takes 10-12 years. But unfortunately, in the stock market, people want to become crorepati's overnight. It's a ulti Ganga. All these things have an evolution. You need to learn things, then implement, make mistakes, learn from those mistakes. It's a normal evolution. For example, evolution is firstly its currency because the risks are very low. Then you get into commodities slightly, then stocks, then futures, and when you are trained 100% on all these, you get into options. But unfortunately, people get into options because people think earning money is extremely easy, but it's not. Had that been so, everybody would have been crorepati, because there's something called as a beginner's luck. It's quite possible. Like in a casino, what happens is the casino owner wants you to sit as much time in the casino as possible, because the more time you sit in the casino without any proper training, the more you tend to lose. And this share market is nothing less than a casino. Therefore, it's extremely important to have proper training, because it sometimes luck smiles at you. You get 777, you get a jackpot. Doesn't mean every time you will get that. These are some important things we need to keep in mind. The market is also like a casino, but it's a calculated casino. If you know how to play the game, the odds of winning are very good. For example, in any good business, a return of 20% is extremely good, but people want to have 20% every day, and that's the reason why people lose money. Making money is not a big thing, but it's important. People need to have low expectations, and it's art, it's a skill, and it takes time to develop these skills. One more thing I would like to share with you guys. Everything is good in YouTube, materials are good, but it is not an organized training. For example, when you go to a university, for example, you have a mechanic and you have a mechanical engineer, automotive engineer, because he has gone to a proper engineering college. He does the theory, does practicals, and that is why an engineer is slightly higher placed than a mechanic, because he went through a proper education through a good teacher. Quality control mechanisms are there, tests, intermediate tests, all that is there. It's like they will teach you how to get inside, and they will also tell you how to come out, not like Abhimanyu, like it's a very structured learning. That's what I'm talking about. And coming back to this quality of training in Sharekhan, guys, training is extremely important. People understand that, but now the question that comes in the reader's mind is, what do I do? How do I select the right trainer? Because if you go through advertisements, there are hundreds and thousands of trainers who will do training programs in 5-star hotels. They will answer all your questions. But guys, you need to understand one thing. The objective is not to sit for an examination, learn something. Main objective is you have to sit in the market and earn money. And if somebody says that, I've taken 2 days training, trainers will do training for 2 days and they are gone. They don't have any commitment after that. But as far as Sharekhan is concerned, for 3 continuous years, we are talking about curriculum. I'm a trainer, guys. I'm not an option trainer, but I'm a corporate trainer. Behavioral economics mein padhata hu. But please understand, for any training, first is who is the trainer. Second, what is the training methodology, pedagogy. Third is what is the quality of hand holding. In what will you learn in 2 days, yaar? It's a big ocean. One needs to understand that. So after that, you have this duration, you have commitment of the training, and how well are you able to integrate technology into the whole trading. Because Sharekhan is one thing where I could see everything. There are hundreds of trainers available in the market. 2 days training, you have webinars, you have master classes, etc. I'm not saying those trainers are bad, but alternative is, instead of going through that, why don't you buy a book and read? What difference does it make? Real training involves the trainer is committed to you, the trainer is attached with you on a day-on-day basis. For 3 long years, they handhold you, right? They have around, I think, I was told they have some 7 trainers, but I came across 2 trainers, Kapil and Rahul. I've been in this corporate field for 25 years, and looking at the quality of trainers they have, it is extremely clear that those trainers are extremely subject matter experts. The quality of their training, their presentation, I would say it is one of the best. And if you are really serious about making money, you really want to learn and practice stock market trading, in my opinion, Sharekhan is the best. Otherwise, I don't think I have ever come across any other company which will be, committed with you for 3 years, using an organized platform, mixing technology, leveraging the technology. And therefore, I wanted to share this as a candidate, as a student who had attended this training program. I thank Sharekhan for having organized such a wonderful training. And Rahul and Kapil, it's a personal message from my side to you. You're doing a great job. There was a lot that I could learn from you. And Meghan, Kamdar, it was awesome that you coordinate the whole event very well. And thank you very much. This is Dr. Sadashivam signing off till we meet again. Bye bye, Jai Hind.